what would you say to anybody who's watching, who's on the fence? They're thinking about giving up, right? They've hit a couple roadblocks. They've ran into all the crap that sometimes we run into as we do this business, or you do any business, right? And they're like, I don't think I can do this. This isn't for me. What message would you give them?
Yeah. The biggest thing I'll tell them is like, hey man, take a moment and think about what you're doing first. Because at some point you made a decision to do KDP, right? You need to decide now if is it something that you're actually going to take serious or not. Because I'm a firm believer of whatever mindset that you have is going to determine how your journey is going to be. If we weren't serious about building our KDP business, we wouldn't have been willing to invest the amount that we did, but most importantly, the time that we took to invest into it. And also, again, this is life, man. Things are not going to work out the way you think they are. As a business owner, you need to be flexible when it comes to what happens throughout your journey. There's a book that I read years ago. Um, what's the name of the book? Think and Grow Rich, man. It's really powerful. He talks about a lot of things
Napoleon
when it
Hill,
comes to
yeah.
success. Exactly, man.
OG.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
I, I I would first tell him like, hey man, what's your why? That's the convo you
Mhm.
need to have with yourself. Like, okay, are you doing this as a hobby or are you actually trying to make this a serious thing? Look around and see how many people's life have been changed by Amazon KDP or just publishing in general. And do you see yourself in those shoes? If you do, then okay, where do you want to be in the next 5 years? Keep it simple like that.
Awesome. I
Um,
love it.
Work your way backwards. Okay, so if this is where you want to end up, it may not happen, but it will for sure not happen if you don't take any actions, right? Work your way backwards. Okay, this is where I'm at. This is 5 years later. If I want to end up here in 5 years, what do I need to do now so that I can get in that place? And with all reality is, if you don't take any actions, then nothing's gonna happen, right? If you take action, something could happen, but if you take intent, what's the word? If you take the right amount
Intentional
of
action.
action,
Yeah.
intentional action, if you take the right amount of action and the intentional one, you're for sure gonna end up there. Like if you ask me right now, man, what's your goal over the next 5 years?
Mhm.
They're huge. I don't even believe them right now.
Sure.
But then again, I'm shooting for them because that's shaping how I'm working right now. Because I know that to get to that point, this is the amount of work I need to put in to get to that point. Just to
Yeah.
show one of my vision, man, I really believe that in Q4 this
Mhm.
year, we can make 100K a month. I really believe it because I've seen other people done it. I I would like to say I have the ingredients to put it together. And
Mhm.
the more I do, the more I learn, and the more I believe that this is actually going to happen. Like we went from making $2,700 the month before to 8 grand from really one
Yeah.
book. One book made like 4,700, and we have 7 other books that were published this year. And we're in a phase where we're running ads to eventually get the momentum, and then only God knows what's going to happen in December. So all I can
Love
say is I am very much a believer of that. Anything can happen just like that, and I would ask yourself, are you actually serious about this or are you just doing it as a hobby? And if you are, then it only makes sense to learn from the best and to not extend the journey, but make the journey shorter so you can get there faster.